Nadia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Who are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking and subscribing, and who are already following, thank you so much and love you so much for all your love and support. So as you see the title, it's a Numaish exhibition which is held in Hyderabad near to the Nampalli. So I went yesterday to the shopping to the exhibition. It's like a ritual for me, like a parampara होती है हर साल जाने की. तो इस बार भी मैंने गई हूँ. तो लेट्स सी व्हाट आई डिड ए शॉपिंग. सो इतना सारा शॉपिंग किया है, ऑलमोस्ट 6 घंटे. आई जस्ट वेंट 6 hours. लाइक I went at afternoon 3:30 and I came back at night 9:30 around. So let's see what shopping I have done. So before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do follow my Instagram page and please like, share and comment. So let's go. So before going it, I will show you what exactly how huge it is bag. I have to purchase a bag because my bag लेके जाना भूल गई थी. तो एक दो लेके गई थी छोटे छोटे वाले, मगर I felt like that is not sufficient, so I thought like to buy a bigger bag. First जो बैग मैंने खरीदा है उसके बारे में बात करूँगी, बिकॉज वही बैग सब कुछ उसमें रख के वापस लेके आई हूँ घर पे. तो दिस इज द बैग, वेरी ह्यूज बैग. ये बैग अराउंड 330 बोल रहा था. तो आई विल टेल यू हाउ आई वेंट. देर इज अ गेट 1 एंड गेट 2. आई एंटर फ्रॉम द गेट 2. जब आप गेट 2 से जा रहे हो, यू विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ लेफ्ट एंड राइट, सो मेनी ज्वेलरीज एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड बैग्स बेच रहे, कारपेट्स बेच रहे. तो यू कैन लाइक बार्गेन, लाइक जितना तुम बार्गेन कर सकते हो उतना करो, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक सो दे विल शो यू अ फिक्सड रेट. थोड़े बहुत है, एक दो तीन शॉप्स है जो फिक्सड रेट बात करते हैं, मगर रेस्ट यू कैन डू ए बार्गेनिंग. सो दिस बैग उसने बोला 350 रुपीज़. तो आई वॉज प्लानिंग टू आस्क फॉर 200, बट माई मदर सेड नो नो, इट जस्ट a 150 rupees, like give it or take it. So luckily I got for 150 rupees because of my mother. So let me start with jewelry. I feel like because एंटर होते ही, जब आप गेट के एंटर होते ही टिकट काउंटर से ही पहले ही देर विल बी अ लॉन्ग स्ट्रीट ऑफ ज्वेलरी, कारपेट, ड्रेसेस, एवरीथिंग, चप्पल्स वगैरह सब कुछ, इवन फूड कोर्ट्स ऑल्सो. सो यू कैन see a lot and variants of jewelries, especially oxidized jewelry, silver jewelry. So I like so much oxidized jewelry, मगर इतना पहनती नहीं हूँ. मगर मेरे को कलेक्शन करना बहुत पसंद है, तो हर बार कुछ ना कुछ तो झुमके, बैंगल्स, नेक पीसेस कुछ ना कुछ लेती हूँ, बिकॉज कभी ना कभी मेरे को शूट में यूज़ हो जाता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो घर पे रख के ऐसे ही रह रहा है कबोर्ड में, नहीं, इट विल गेट यूज्ड फॉर मी इन द शूट. सो पहले मैंने ये वाला लिया है. Like, have you seen that? It's a hand work with all jhumkis. Like, you can open like this and wear it in your hand. So ये वाला है. तो मैं वन बाय वन, शॉप बाय शॉप बोलूँगी, बिकॉज जैसे मैंने शॉपिंग किया है वैसे वे में मैं बोलूँगी, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू get confused and miss any product. So this one she said me around 150 and I got it for 100. I think 100 is also waste for, I feel like, once I came home and when I saw this. But it's okay, fine, I can get it for 80, 20 rupees इधर उधर हो जाता है, don't, it's fine. These jhumkis are really liked it, but bisco I really want to remodify this one. That is why I have taken, because I'll remove these jhumkis and I'll remodify as a mirror studs, like mirror jhumkis type. So this is costed me around 150. उसने बोला मेरे को 100 में दिया. So I really like this one. So the next one is this choker. Can you see the choker? It's like so beautiful. इसमें आपको कलर्स भी है, like only black or only orange or only red, but I need a multicolor so that I can utilize this in all variants of dresses, like everything. So I really liked it. This one is also 100 rupees. She told me 150. I asked for 100 and she given me 100. I entered into the like a, after taking a ticket in the gate 2, you go for the left side. I start every time. जब भी मैं नामपल्ली एग्जीबिशन जाती हूँ, मेरा एक उसूल है, like one way of like a principle, that I'll go with gate 2 only, and once I entered into the, after the ticket counter, I'll take first left, then I will come around all everything, and then I come exit for the same gate only. I'll go for exit. Like that I can cover almost every shop. जो बीच में जो शॉप्स रहते शायद एक दो मिस हो जाते हैं, मगर मोस्टली आई अराउंड सर्किल पूरा कंप्लीट करती हूँ। तो ऐसे लेफ्ट से जाने से ही मेरे को पूरे ये कपड़ों का या वॉट एवर आई हैव बॉट राइट नाउ एवरीथिंग हैज़ बीन कवर्ड. So that's why I'm telling you right now, first the jewelry, everything. I think this is the vlog is going to be very big because I really want to explain everything. So make sure take some drinks and everything and sit down to watch this one. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel and do like, share and comment. And you can ask me any comments. So this is another jhumkis. I got it. And it is comes with gold and oxidized, like it's so unique for me. I never had this type of collection in my wardrobe, so jewelry collection, so I felt like to take it. And every piece is 100 rupees, so I got it from that shop. Once I entered inside and when I was looking around all the shops, I got it three jhumkis. One is totally white, if you can see it, it's totally white. And the next one is this black, because this goes with everything. And this one is a oxidized one, like with the golden, so you can use and try any type of way. So these are the तीन झुमकीस. I got it for 300 rupees. So good one. Small corner shop कुछ लगा के बैठा था, तो my mother saw that and she said there are very good bracelets, so I felt like to take it. But somewhere I felt like he charged me so much, even though if I did a bargaining. But it's okay, 1-2 pieces, if you are getting a high price and if you really like it, you should not think about it. So these are the bracelets. I got it, I'll show you one by one. So this one is like kada type. I really liked it. It's so good design, and everything is almost 100 rupees. And this one is like 3 variants, like silver, rose gold and gold. So this is also kada type, you can wear it with anything, like chunk of jewelries. So the next is I got it this two for I got 3. I have given to one of my friends, so I got 3 for like 50 rupees को 3 दिया है, so it's really liked it. I really liked it. And this two is like silver kada. If you don't want to wear much jewelry and just have a kada, this one. And this is the black and white combination of kada. And I have a very big, my hand is very thin, like it's very hard for me to find to have a very nice sturdy and tiny kadas or bracelets. So I am like very like too much to find it out those things. So this one is my size, so I really got it. And this one costed me around 250 rupees. It's too much price this one, but still I felt like okay fine, I really liked it. What is the way to think about it and do a bargaining? So I really like this one. So these are the jewelries. And this one I have got dented type. These days the fashion is going on, so this is the dented type bracelet. You'll find everything on outside only. It's no need to find it out the shop number, so you can walk around, take time, and if you roam around whole exhibition, no, you will find it. So this one costed me 100 rupees. But make sure to check your sizes and take it, so that it won't get wasted. While you buy any purchase, you should be also happy, right? Clips, hair clips. I don't know why I want to buy those many hair clips if I have a tons of, I mean that, look at this one, I have full of these only, like clips only, hair clips, but still I buy. So this is the one I got it. Every clip is 50 rupees. I'll tell you, last year when I was buying the hair clips, it's around 20-30. There is a variance, like this one size is 20 rupees, this middle size is 30 rupees, the big one is 50 rupees. But now everyone who is in the Nampalli Numaish exhibition, everyone became a smarter, and they have mentioned every fixed price, so that we should not bargain it. Okay, so like fine. So this is 50 rupees, and I got this one, and this is the nude one. I got it, I hope you can see it. And this one is like flower one I really like. If you can tie up whole bun, whole hair, you can. I don't know why I end up with the yellow and oranges. I literally don't understand. After buying it, once I came home, then I saw why I got this yellow color. I really don't know. Then there is another shop. If you are going inside and if you see the people like प्लेइंग अराउंड किड्स विद अ वाटर वन लाइक अ वाटर बोट से जो खेल रहे हैं वही एरिया में है आसपास में. दीज आर द प्रोडक्ट्स. नाउ आई एम शोइंग दिस टू. ये दो फ्रिज मैग्नेट्स है वहीं पे है. लाइक एवरीथिंग इज देयर ओनली. सो इट्स 150 पे 2 पीसेस है. तो मैंने 2 पीसेस लिए विच आई रियली लाइक इट. I think I should cut with the scissor. I will be back. So these two are the fridge magnets. I got it. Best ummi ever. And sometimes the magics happen when you stop worrying how things will turn out. So this is really to me only. I overthink so much. So that's why I should stop that, so that it can remind me every morning whenever I was opening the fridge, so I can see it. So these two, it's costed me 150 rupees. So any 2 pieces 150. So there is a tons of messages, some emojis, some many things थे. तो आप देख लो, आपको जैसा पसंद आया वैसे लेना. So I really like this too. Best mummy ever. I felt like this should be on the fridge for me because I am thankful to God, touch wood. She is always there, supported me. So and the next one is a phone case. I told you I end up every time orange and yellow. I don't know, I don't like those colors, but still I end up, because my favorite color is white, but still I end up with those things. I really don't understand. So this one is around 200 rupees. It comes with pop-up. So it's a duck. I really like a duck so much. I don't know why. But still, like, this one costed me. This is iPhone 16 Pro phone case. So I got it because I have two phones, iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 16 Pro. So I got it for iPhone 16 Pro because there is no phone case for iPhone 15 Pro Max. I don't know why. Still, like, it's costed me 200. He said me 300. I asked for 150. नहीं बोला तो finally 200 में दे दो भैया बोली तो दे दिया. तो that's all. Crockeries, when I said no, you enter into the second gate. Once you take a ticket, when you turns left, at front only there is a crockery shops which is kilo 399. So you will get like kgs में लेना पड़ता है. Like whatever you can take anything, it will be measured by kgs. So I got these crockeries. लास्ट ईयर मैंने कोशिश किया लेने के लिए, मेरे को कुछ पसंद नहीं आया. लाइक एक डिज़ाइन मिल रहा है तो एक नहीं मिल रहा है, एक डिज़ाइन मिल रहा है तो एक नई डिज़ाइन नहीं मिल रहा है. पता नहीं लोग ऐसे कैसे सिंगल पीस ले जाते हैं. बट इट्स ओके. देर इट्स दो आई गॉट दिस big balls too, black color. It's not even black also, it's like little grayish color. मैंने धोया भी नहीं है because पहले जल्दी जल्दी मैं वीडियो बना दूँ फिर बना के कुछ इसमें डाल के खाऊं. तो these are the 2 soup bowls. I got it. So these are the 2 soap bowls. I got it. And these 2 is like a ramen. Like मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा मैगी खाती हूँ, रामेन खाती हूँ, तो उसके लिए ऑलरेडी मेरे पास 2 है which I have got it in 2023, which is a blue color. Now it's a grayish black color. So I really liked it. ये दो 4. And I got 2 spoons for soup, black color, which should be looks good for this. And the white fork, because black and white is my favorite. So always want to have some weird combinations color. ये इसको सूट नहीं कर रहा है, I don't know, मगर मेरे को अच्छा दिखा तो मैंने लिया. मगर बदमाश ने ना 4 स्पून्स निकाले तो ये मिस कर दिया. I don't know I paid it or not. I am not sure. इतने हर्री में थे लोग, इतने ज़्यादा थे, इवन मैंने भी नोटिस नहीं किया. इट्स ओके फाइन. जब मैं फिर जाऊँगी फिर 2-3 पीसेस तो ले लूँगी. तो दिस वन होल कॉस्टेड मी एग्जैक्टली 1 किलो. इट मीन्स 399 रुपीज़. ये पूरा मेरे को 399 रुपीज़ में मिला. सो द सेकेंड क्रॉकरी आइटम आई गॉट इज ए ड्रिंक बॉटल्स. लाइक बहुत सारा एस्थेटिक चल रहा है आजकल. आई डोंट नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज़. तो मैंने एक अंकल जो क्रॉकरी के आइटम्स थोड़ा आगे जाने के बाद देखी तो जो ड्रिंक बॉटल्स रहते हैं वो 150, 150, 120 में आएगा, 120 में आएगा बोल रहे. तो आई आस्क दादा प्लीज़ 100 में दे दो. इससे ज़्यादा बार्गेनिंग मैं नहीं करना चाहती हूँ, थक गई हूँ मैं. तो आई गॉट दिस वन, सी फ्लावर वॉश टाइप, एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. इसके साथ ये स्ट्रॉ मिलेगा. सो आई गॉट 2 पीसेस so that आई नो आई एम द ओनली पर्सन, बट कभी मेरे फ्रेंड्स आ जाते हैं तो उन लोगों को भी सेम इसमें रखना पड़ता है ना, अब मैं अकेली थोड़ी नहीं पी सकती एस्थेटिक में। तो दिस टू आई गॉट इट फॉर 100 रुपीज, so 200 rupees, and it's reasonable, I feel like that. So now entered into the clothes. The clothes are so much right now, like I was trying to stop myself not to buy much clothes, to be a minimal, but क्या करे भाई, इतना ज़्यादा खुजाट है ना हाथों में, इतना ज़्यादा। तो one shop where I stuck, he mentioned everything is 150 150 150। तो मैंने चेक किया है, तो आई लाइक दिस टॉप, आई डोंट नो यू कैन सी इट और नॉट। सो दिस इज द टॉप, आई गॉट इट, इट्स अ स्ट्रेचेबल ब्लैक फुल टॉप, 150 में मिला मेरे को। एंड दिस स्वेटर आई रियली लाइक इट। ये कॉम्बिनेशन में मैंने कहीं देखा है, BTS वी पहनता है इन ग्रेश, आई मीन लाइक इन द बीच कलर। only difference is that it's a white, and I really liked it, तो मैंने झट से ग्रैब कर लिया। it is also 150, and this grey sweater, I really love this sweater। ये थोड़ा लूज है मेरे लिए, but I am fine with it because अंदर कुछ ना कुछ पहनती हूँ तो वो sufficient fit हो जाएगा, तो इसीलिए तो I got this one is also 150। and the main important thing is this dress, I don't know how I will show you this dress, but this dress देखते ही मेरे को लेना है। इवन दो आई हैव अ लॉट, बट स्टिल इट्स येलो कलर, फाइन, बट 250 रुपीज में क्या आता है आपको विंटर वेयर, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड सीरियसली, बट आई रियली लाइक इट। दिस इज द होल लॉन्ग ड्रेस, I got it for 250 rupees, and I felt like it's a worthy, like best। So the next, if you go in that way only, you will have a भाई साहब ले लो कुर्ती 250 250 250 250। सो आई फेल्ट लाइक चलो देखते हैं कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा सा मिल जाए मेरे को, तो सो दैट आई कैन वेयर एटलीस्ट ऑफिस for a few days, for a few months, then I can give it to someone। So I got 2 pairs, each 250 rupees, with प्लाजो पैंट। तो ये टॉप है पूरा ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट के साथ, और ये वाला है प्लाजो। सो दिस टू लाइक 250 रुपीज, एंड आई रियली लाइक दिस डिजाइन, इफ यू सी इट। ये सब वाला मैंने शायद मीशो में भी देखा है, मिंत्रा में भी देखा है, आई रियली लाइक इट। सो 250, उसमें तो 450 या 400 500 के रेंज में था। I got this in 250, and this is the one I got plazo। ये plazo है, if you can see it, this design, and this one is comes with like this top। it's a full length top, it's not even short also, it's a full length top, so that it's really only that thing I didn't like, it's a Chinese collar type, I really don't like Chinese collar, but it's okay, fine, I can wear it। and this is also 250 rupees, I really liked it। so I got it two tops there, one is a red and one is white। मेरे पास white है मगर mirrors work, छिलकानी वर्क के साथ, बीच में mirrors work के साथ है, pure printed वर्क का नहीं है, like this, if you can see like this work। so ये वाला मैंने लिया है, इसने बोला 1200 रुपीज़ एक कुर्ती, तो मैंने बार्गेनिंग करके अराउंड 700 रुपीज़ में लिया है। एंड द सेम एज द रेड वन, ये भी 1200 रुपीज़ बोला था, मगर ही डिडंट एक्सेप्टेड फॉर 600 रुपीज़, तो उसने बोला फाइनल प्राइस 700। मैंने आई रियली वॉन्ट टू हैव दिस टाइप ऑफ कलर रेड with this type of work, if you can see it। so I got these two tops for 6 6 12 1300 पे लिया है मैंने, तो आई रियली लाइक इट। उसके आगे थोड़ा गई तो मैं स्टॉल्स में देखी थी, देर इज ए वन कुर्ती, दिस इज 350 रुपीज, आई गॉट इट फॉर, एंड इट्स सेम चिंकानी वर्क, बट इट इज लिटिल ट्रांसपेरेंट, सो यू कैन वेयर पेटीकोट और full type of bra, like, and you can wear this one, and this is also 350 rupees, I really like। पे 4 pieces आएंगे, तो I bought it those also because I feel sometimes traveling के लिए मेरे को ये बहुत comfy लगते हैं, like you wear a jeans, casual jeans, and wear these kurtis and go happily। so I got it 4 kurtis for 1000 rupees, and you will have a sizes also, small, medium, large, extra large। you just ask the person what's your size, he will show you all the sizes and variants of this। तो मैंने 4 कुर्तीस लिए. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन. दिस इज नॉट माई चॉइस, दिस इज माई मदर्स चॉइस. सो शी लाइक्ड इट, सो आई गॉट इट बिकॉज देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक प्रिंट्स है, सम टाइप ऑफ मैन प्रिंट्स. और एक है ये वाला ग्रेश. आई रियली लाइक दिस ग्रे कलर. सो ये भी बहुत अच्छा सा आ गया है मेरे को. आई रियली लाइक इट. एंड दिस ब्लू इज ऑल्सो माई फेवरेट. And you'll get very short kurtis. And this one is my favorite. इसमें small size नहीं था. This is the medium size, but still I felt like I really liked it, so I want to get it. So I will do a alteration little bit. It's fine for me, but still it's fitting me very nicely. So I don't feel like to do alteration because ये shrink होंगे. Like literally ये cotton के है, shrink होंगे. So I will wash, I'll see, then I'll give for alteration. Otherwise, I'll wear the same exactly. These 4 tops got at me like for 1,000 rupees. Where I was like going around and my mother saw this top. I don't know, इतने रंगीन circus के जैसा like एकदम. I don't know why she liked this top. I won't say it's a top. It's type kurti frock type. It's 200 rupees. It's just 200 rupees. She said like I really liked it. It looks good on you. You should buy it. So भाई कौन पहनता है इतना रंगीन रंगीन. like look at that purple, orange, yellow, everything. like it's like, but I will wear for her definitely. I think it looks good on me if I style something सोच के. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो 200 एंड द क्लॉथ इज टोटली कॉटन, लाइक लिटरली कॉटन. जो नेक्स्ट परचेस है वो नाइट वेयर से. रात को जब मैं एक ऑलरेडी पहन चुकी हूँ बिकॉज आई रियली कांट स्टॉप माई सेल्फ पहनने के लिए, तो पहन लिया और वो वॉशिंग मशीन में पड़ा है. आई डोंट नो बट आई विल ट्राई टू पोस्ट अ पिक्चर. अगर वो वॉशिंग मशीन में नहीं है, भीगा नहीं है, तो देन 3 पेयर्स मैंने लिया है. ईच पेयर इज लाइक विद बॉटम एंड टॉप 350 rupees. So I got this first one and with the pant, like with the pant and top, it's costed me 350 rupees. It's small checks design if you can see it. So this one, and this one my mother liked it. मुझे इतना I don't know why I didn't like it, but she liked it. And it comes with a lace collar and with the pant, same pant. So this is also 350. And there is one more which is in the same color, brown but with the flowers. That is also 350. I got 3 pairs, each 350. So don't get confused. Please check out the boards and then only purchase. Sarees. There are the saree shop exactly at the same place where I got this Chilkani work kurtis. There is a variations like 200, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 600, 650, 700, 750. ये रेंज में हैं. तो I got 2 sarees for myself. I felt like to buy it because my mother got 2 sarees. She took and she given to for blouse stitching. She didn't even waited for my video to shoot it, so it's fine. But I'll show which design it is because my friend also got the same design, so I'll show that. So this is the saree which I got is for 350 rupees, sorry, 450 rupees. I really like this one. This is the pattern, if you can see it, like it's so good with the border. And I really liked it. It's so looking so good. And I have a contrast blue colored blouse also, or else it will come with blouse, so I can stitch it up. But I really like this saree. It's costed me 450 and I felt like to take it. Sometimes kabhi na kabhi kar sakte. And I really like this saree. This one has so many colors like purple, violet, red and something, because I felt like this colors looks good on me, so I have taken this. I'm not sure what I will do with this color, with this tip saree, but definitely I really want to wear it. I have a white blouse. So see, I will buy sarees what blouses I have in my home accordingly, then that I'll keep in my brain, in my mind, then only I'll buy the products, because I don't want to go again for stitching and waste the money 15 to 1700 on the tailor and everything. If you have that type of colors, try to get in those colors matching to the saree so that it can save your money. I was doing the same thing since 3 years onwards about the sarees or dupattas or leggings. If I have any colors which is already in my home, accordingly I will buy. If you like something, if you can buy it, you can buy it, but for me it's like that. So this one it's costed me 250 rupees saree. And this is the saree where my friend got it. I showed her in the pictures, she really liked it. This is a gray and blackish white. So this saree is around 250 rupees. And my mother got in the same green color, darkest green. I really didn't like that one. This one I really liked it, and she wants something in black and white combination, so she got it. So she has to pay me the money. Bed sheets for 2 pieces, 2 bed sheets for 400 rupees. Mine is a single cot, so I don't feel like to take a double one. This is a single bed sheets, I got it, and this is 2 for 400. And these two are the colors I got it. One is with little light orangish yellow type flowers, and this one is little blue. Like you have a lots of designs. Still I will tell you which pillow covers. I do have a pillow covers, especially I use satin pillow covers because for my face and my hair you should not get damaged. That's why I use those pillow covers. And I have a colors blue, yellow, black, green, orange, and pink. So accordingly I will buy the pillow, I mean like a bed sheets, because I should not give more money to the tailors and waste money on the pillow cover. So savings. So still I do savings, but still I spend, I don't know why. So these two, I have a blue and yellow also, and even the green also. So that's why I got these two. So the last I got it is a flowers, decoration flowers, not this flower. The flowers I'll show you what I got it. So these are the flowers I got it. This is the each piece is 20 rupees. There is a variations 20 rupees, 40 rupees, and 60 rupees. So if you see this, there is a what is that? Nilofer Tea Cafe. It's nearby that only. This shop is there in the Numaish Nampally exhibition in Hyderabad. Please check out there. This is each piece is 20 rupees. So I got it around 200 rupees, like 5, so that I can put colorfully in the background, but I am not using in the background, but I have put it somewhere near to my BTS section, so it should be colorful. That's why this is the one. This is the shopping I have done for myself in the Numaish exhibition. It is held up to February 16, so you can go and purchase it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do like, share, and comment. Do follow my Instagram page, and please show me some love. Do subscribe it. So until this next time, this is Nazia signing off. Love yourself, keep hydrating. Bye.